Let's create a offer in the GRM. So I'm just going to click on the reward tab, and then you'll see a list of all of your past rewards. You can come up here and hit create reward. You'll have to give your offer a name. So I'm just going to do like $5. So that's your internal name, and then your actual offer name. I just do the same thing. This is what you'll see when you use it in an email. So there's a couple different options that you can choose from when creating an offer. You can do dollar off check, which is what I'm going to do today. You can do percentage off check, percentage off items, a free item, a fixed price, BOGO, price modifier, and non-discount, and a description of all of those offers are below. So I'm just going to click on dollar off check, and I'm going to click next. Okay, so you'll choose how much you want off. So I did $5, and then you can choose a minimum purchase amount. So you can do 50, 100. If you come over here, you can toggle these over. So if you want to do like 55, you can also type in like $35. However, whatever the minimum price you want off of your check, you can do that. Same thing over here. If you want like $20 off of 100, you can do that too. So you can just manually type in things. I'm just going to keep it 5 and 50. Must purchase items. So if you're creating an offer and you're promoting like that chicken burger, you can say you get $5 off 50 when you purchase a burger, and you can save that. So you'll see that food burgers. If you go into this is just your menu. So you'll drop this down here and you'll see all of your beer, and then you can see the individual types of beer. Same with food. You'll see appetizers, all of your appetizers, all of your individual burgers. So I just checked all of burgers, and then you can go to next. So total redemptions, you can limit by member. So this is 1 coupon per member, or limit by 1 coupon. This is the most common I see. So once that coupon is used, they can't use it again, and you'll do 1 per coupon. And then you can do unlimited. I rarely see this, but this is you can set your coupon to be used an unlimited amount of times. Offer type, so you can do, this is just your POS here, so you can do at the bar, delivery, dine-in. You don't have to choose anything, but you can. And then you can toggle these on and off, so you can combine with other offers. I see most people turning this off. Allow POS discounts, so that's other discounts that they have in the POS. They can combine with this. And then requires manager authorization. So this is just the server has to grab a manager when they enter the offer code or scan it, and then the manager has to approve or enter their code, or however they're doing it in order for that offer to be valid. Exclude menu items. So yeah, you can exclude menu items from your offer. So I know a lot of states restrict you from having alcohol in an offer. So you can come in here, look at your menu, and check all the alcohol, and you'll save that. And then you'll see at the bottom here, that's all excluded. If you have multiple locations, you can choose which store or which location you want it to be valid in, or you can just select all stores. Public restrictions, you can add any public restrictions that'll be visible to guests. So when you download the offer, you'll see that. Next, so this is when you can start your offer. So you can start it today or when published. So I'll just click when published. Offer end, it can never end, or you can specify a date. So if you're doing like a welcome campaign, welcoming them to the e-club, here's a free appetizer, that can be valid for like 2 weeks after it starts. So like, yeah, we can do 1 week, 2 weeks after they receive that email, then that offer will expire. Days valid, so you can choose which days you want this offer to be valid. If you're trying to bring more traction in on Mondays and Tuesdays, running a special, you can just have that in Mondays or Tuesdays, and then you can exclude to Saturdays and Sundays if you really wanted to. Restricted hours, you can like restrict your happy hour, your dinner hours if you wanted to. And then date restrictions, so you can block out like holidays if you wanted to, so people can't use that. And then moving on to next, so this is just finalizing anything. receipt text. So this is what prints out on the receipt. So you can just type in like welcome offer. This is for your welcome. And then vanity code. So this is optional. You can put in like a vanity code. So when someone checks out online, they have to enter like a code. You can put that in there. POS discount ID. So this is where the offer is coming from. So whatever POS system you have, I'm just going to choose Aloha. This is where you can select tags. So you can select any tags you want and associate it with this offer. You can add any notes. So this is just for you. This is just like the welcome offer. And then you can put descriptions on this if you wanted to as well. Then going to next. So this is just the final stages of everything. This is just a review of everything that we went over. If you need to edit something, you can just click this edit button and you'll be redirected to this page. Once everything looks good, you can go ahead and publish it. I'll just publish that offer and then you'll see it here. So now that you've published your offer, you can come in here and click download code and you can kind of test to see what it looks like. So this is a QR code. You can do 2 formats of a barcode. So this is one of the barcodes and this is the other one, just a different format. And this is what it'll look like at the bottom of your email or wherever you're putting it in your email. This is what the code will look like.